Hi, buddy. Today, we're going on a little adventure without the long drive. We're going to check out a few of the many trails in the city of Las Vegas and show you just how easy it is to step out into nature without ever leaving the city. And coming along with me on this adventure, we have no one other than my dog, Homer. Homer, come here, buddy. Hey, sit. Are you ready to go, buddy? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Oh. It's not something we'll be doing today, but there's even a trail to climb Cheyenne Mountain. So far out on the west side of town, you might even see some wildlife out here. And don't forget to admire those desert plants on your walk. You can come here and learn about the geology of our desert habitat too. If you wanted to climb the mountain, I believe you go this way, but since we're not doing that today, we're gonna go this way. Come on, buddy. We've got another parking lot up here and tons of trails to explore out there in the desert. We even got stuff for horses over here, so this must be an equestrian trail. There are so many more miles of trails beyond this sign, but we're gonna head back because we have so much more exploring to do. Come on. You would have absolutely no idea that we're just on the outskirts of the city of Las Vegas. Lots of options at this park. If you don't want to take the trails, you could take one of these paved pathways too. And would you look at this? They knew Homer was coming today. They even have a dog water fountain. Of course, any time of year, especially in the heat, we have to bring water out here too. And if the weather's nice, there's plenty of picnic tables. We can sit and have a picnic. I think Homer deserves a treat too after that. You're a good boy. Here you go. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Definitely need to be wearing a hat for the remainder of this video. What do you guys say? Up next, we're just down the street at Buckskin Cliff Shadows Park. So there's a few cars in the parking lot, but I haven't seen a soul yet, so I'm virtually out here by myself. This is so peaceful. Interesting, I've never seen this before. I mean, in Las Vegas or ever, but this is like a horse pen. I had literally no idea we had these out here. Oh, okay, it's a warm-up pen. No horses today, but this must be a big thing. Look at all the horse, I don't even know what you would call these. Things that you tie horses up to. Does that smell like horses, Homer? Yeah, does it smell? Oh, okay, buddy. This is so cute. Look at the little horseshoes on the ground. Should we check out some of these trails? All right, let's go. This is natural desert environment, so naturally, please beware of the cacti. This is a great spot for some easy hikes, some good dog walking, and a nice outdoor reset. We've got a great view of the mountains behind us. We've got a great view of the valley on the other side of us. You cannot get better than this. Homer approves, and that's honestly the real review, isn't it, buddy? On the other side, there's all sorts of more trails that you can see. I've been seeing people walking along this trail here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really excited to come check this out later when I have more time. There's so much exploring to be done out here. Once again, I wish I could go further out on the trail, but we have one more park to get to, so let's go. One last stop for today, we're at Hualapai Canyon Trailhead. Do you recognize those little dog prints? They look like yours. Homer, say cheese. Cheese. Looks like this is a paved 0.8 of a mile loop, perfect for pedestrians, bicyclists, skaters, and dog walkers. We've got really nice places to sit out here and just enjoy the view. Hi, buddy. Now, unlike the other stuff we checked out today, this one is only 1/8 of a mile, so we're just gonna walk the whole thing. While there's other people on this walk, you wouldn't know it. It's so quiet and peaceful out here. At the far end of this trail, we have this secluded little bench area. When picking all the parks for this video today, I didn't even try to pick 3 parks with 3 unique vibes, but it just happened like that, and I think that's so cool. And walking on this side of the trail, you got this gorgeous view of the mountains out there. You gonna be a tired guy later? You're so cute, bud. And we're coming in on the home stretch here. I can see our cars up ahead. Thanks thanks for coming along for one of my personal favorite ways to experience Las Vegas. If you like this video, don't forget to drop it a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content. And for more videos where we get outside, check out these. I think it's time to go home, Homer. What do you say? Sit. Good boy. Can you repel? Good boy. Can you lay down? That's a good boy. That's a good boy.